Guys, what's up? It's Brian's Tech Reviews here today, and today we are going to be unboxing the Skullcandy Soundmine. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. But today we're going to be unboxing the Skullcandy Soundmine. It costs around 20 bucks, and the reason why I bought this speaker is because we're going to be today comparing it between its cousin, the Skullcandy Shrapnel. Skullcandy Shrapnel costs around 30 to 40 bucks. I've been having this speaker for a pretty long time, and it sounds pretty good. But I want to know if the Skullcandy Soundmine sounds pretty good for 20 bucks. I don't know. Yeah, 20 bucks is pretty cheap for a speaker, but yeah. Today we're going to be unboxing it, so let's get right into the unboxing, guys. Alright, Skullcandy Soundmine, glow in the dark. It actually does glow in the dark. I tried it last night and it did work. Let's unbox it. Alright, yeah, the speaker right here. They're not clicking. Or they're right here. Buttons are right here. So if you're wondering where the buttons are, they're right here. They're at the bottom. Skullcandy. There's a little grill right here. I don't think this is splash proof where the Skullcandy Shrapnel is. You can take it in the shower, take it in the pool inside. But the Soundmine, I'm not sure. Alright. Skullcandy warranty. Nobody cares about that. This thing is drop proof. I'm not sure about that. It feels pretty light. Skullcandy Soundmine. Instructions. And you have the USB port. USB charger. My bad. USB charger. Yeah, guys, we're gonna be doing a sound test. Yeah, because it does feel pretty light, and here's the shrapnel. We're gonna be doing a sound test. Alright, guys, give me a little moment, and we're gonna start the sound test right in a minute. Alright, guys, I'm back. I got the speaker set up. We're gonna start it first with the Skullcandy Shrapnel. This song is called Retrovision Puzzle by NCS. No copyright sounds. And yeah, let's get right into it. Shrapnel. Alright, we're gonna do the shrapnel. Alright, guys, now we're gonna do the Soundmine. It took me a little while to put it on parent mode. We're gonna restart the song and see how it sounds. Buttons are in the bottom. Shrapnel. Alright guys, that wraps it up for my video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah guys, the Skullcandy shrapnel is better than the Soundmine, I gotta say. For 10 bucks you're getting more. Skullcandy Soundmine sounds like a little puny speaker, but it does get the job done. Shrapnel has deeper bass, louder, and it's louder because it has an outdoor mode. When you press the plus and minus button, it has an outdoor mode. It's pretty loud, and the Skullcandy Soundmine does get the job done, but it's not that loud. It does have some decent bass, but yeah, Shrapnel does a better job, and for 10 bucks you're getting more for what you pay for. Shrapnel's splash proof, Soundmine's not. Soundmine is glow in the dark, Shrapnel's not. They have their own differences, guys. But yeah guys, this wraps it up for my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah guys, thank you very much. Peace out.